your SharePoint contents folder on the site contents. If you don't see an agent's assets folder, then it probably means your agent assets feature is not enabled. So in order to enable this, go to site settings. Then you should look for site collection features. Click on that. And at the top here, agent assets. At the moment it's not activated. So what you need to do is just click on activate. And there you go. Now the status is active. So let's go back on the site contents. And there you go. There's agent assets folder here. Then skills. Then you can put the skills that you need to use in this folder.